Today I'm going to show you how to bridge AVAX over to Sui using Portal. Portal is a multi-chain app helping you do fast, secure token transfers and swaps between any chain. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I'll put the link to this in the description. Just for context, let's open up our MetaMask wallet, and you can see that I have 55 AVAX in this wallet. I want to bridge some of this over to Sui. And then if we open up our Slush wallet, this is the wallet that I use for Sui Network. You can see I have 159 Sui in here. We're going to add more to it. To start, we're going to click right here, and then we're going to select a network. So we're going to go ahead and find Avalanche. There it is. Then we're going to select a token. And in this case, it's going to be AVAX token since that's what I have in my MetaMask wallet. And then we're going to click right here. We're going to click on Sui Network. Our Slush wallet will pop open. We're going to go ahead and approve that as that's our destination wallet. And then the token that we want is Sui. All right, so we're going to be sending from Avalanche Network AVAX to Sui Network in the form of Sui tokens. Next, I'm going to go ahead and connect my source wallet. This case is going to be MetaMask. I'm going to connect it. You can see there's a balance of 55 AVAX in it. In this example, we'll just say 20, which is the equivalent right now to $435. You can see there's a small fee, so we're going to get back $433 or 127 Sui. I'm going to say confirm transaction. MetaMask will pop open. We're going to go ahead and confirm it. You can see ETA is about 1 minute. All right, transaction completed. That took about a minute. Let's go ahead, open our Slush wallet. And you can see we now have 287 Sui. We click right here, transaction history. You'll see we just received the 127 Sui. You can also confirm it on Mine Explorer. You can see completed 19.98 AVAX to Sui. So it's super easy using Portal by Wormhole to bridge AVAX over to Sui. If I click on start a new transaction, you can see that in addition to AVAX, you could also bridge over ETH, Solana, ARB, Base, as well as from many other chains to Sui using Portal. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto content. I'll see you in the next one.